So, welcome to Jumbo IS and welcome to our lecture series called Daily MCQ Practice. In this lecture series, we cover a particular day's current affairs through a set of 4 to 5 MCQs. The idea behind this lecture series, like I say always in the beginning, is twofold. Number one, we want you to revise your current affairs because current affairs form a very important portion of your prelims examination. Around 40 to 50% of the MCQs asked in your prelims examination are directly or indirectly related to current affairs. Therefore, you cannot choose to ignore current affairs at all. And what better way to revise your current affairs than by getting the much needed MCQ practice? Because if you'll make this lecture series a part of your daily routine, then these MCQs would add up to more than 1200 MCQs from the topic of current affairs alone. Okay, that's a lot. That's a lot from just current affairs. So, needless to say this, make this lecture series a daily habit of yours. Alright, let's begin today's session starting with question number 1. Consider the following statements regarding transshipment facility for Bangladesh. It was launched in 2020. It allowed Bangladesh to use India's land custom station for transshipment of export cargo. This facility allowed Bangladeshi textile exports to be more export competitive. Now, back in 2022, India had good relations with Bangladesh, but since the ouster of former Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina, well, India's relationship with Bangladesh under Muhammad Yunus are not doing so well. Plus, recently, well, Muhammad Yunus went to China and made some comments which didn't go down well with the Indian establishment. Now, back in the day when India's relationship with Bangladesh was top notch, was very good, India tried to help Bangladesh, especially help Bangladeshi textile exports. India provided its own infrastructure. India allowed Bangladesh to export its items to landlocked countries like Myanmar. Not Myanmar is not landlocked, but India allowed a passage to Myanmar for Bangladeshi exports, Bhutan, Nepal. India even allowed Bangladeshi textile exports to come to Mumbai and then be shipped to, well, Europe and other markets. So India allowed this through its land custom station, and this scheme was there in 2020. So first two statements are correct, and this scheme actually allowed Bangladeshi textile exports at the expense of Indian textile industry. It allowed Bangladeshi textile exports to be more export competitive. Bangladesh gained a lot out of it. Bangladesh had so many economic dividends out of it. But recently, Government of India decided to cancel this transshipment facility because, like I said before, relationship has nosedived since the ouster of former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. Any which way, all three statements are correct. The correct answer to this question is C. Question 2. Which of the following statements is correct regarding Nilgiri tahr? It is a carnivore animal endemic to Nilgiri Hills and southern portion of Western and Eastern Ghats. It is listed as endangered in IUCN Red List. This animal is also the state animal of Kerala. Now listen to me carefully. Nilgiri tahr is a type of animal which is closer to sheep. Okay, and it is found in the upper mountainous regions of Nilgiri Hills and southern portion of Western and Eastern Ghats. Okay, this animal is mostly found in Tamil Nadu, and then Kerala. Okay, it is so common in Tamil Nadu that it is also declared as the state animal of Tamil Nadu, not Kerala. So third statement is already false. Okay, now remember, it is closer to sheep. It is not carnivorous, it is herbivorous. It is a herbivore. So first statement is also false because of this word carnivore. Otherwise, the statement would have been correct. Okay. Now, it is listed as endangered under IUCN Red List. This part is absolutely correct. So, only 2. Okay. Question number 3. Consider the following statements regarding one-horned rhinoceros. It is the species of rhinoceros found in the Indian subcontinent and is the second largest rhino species in the world. The highest population density of one-horned rhino is found in Kaziranga National Park. Its habitat includes terai grasslands, swamps, alluvial floodplains, and subtropical savanna. Okay, so the above statements are correct. Now look, one-horned rhinoceros is a species of rhino which is found in Indian subcontinent. This part is correct. And it is the second largest rhino species in the world, the largest being the African rhino. Okay, so this part is correct. In fact, within Asia, the Indian subcontinent's one-horned rhinoceros is the largest rhino species. Okay, within Asia. Within world, it is second. Now, one-horned rhinoceros is found in, well, tarai, grasslands, swamps, alluvial floodplains, subtropical savanna, mostly Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Assam, and all these places. Now, within Assam, there is this place called Kaziranga National Park. The largest population of one-horned rhinoceros is found in Kaziranga National Park. But the word over here is population density. That means population per square kilometer. Now, largest population is in Kaziranga National Park, but the largest population density is in Pabitra Wildlife Sanctuary, which is also in Assam. So, Assam hosts a large number of one-horned rhino. So, second statement is correct because the word density is mentioned over here. Okay, third statement is absolutely correct. So, 1 and 3 only. And last, consider the following statements regarding Panchayat Advancement Index report for 2022-23. It measures the performance of 2.5 lakh gram panchayats across 9 localized sustainable development goals. Based on their score, gram panchayats are allocated following categories: achiever, frontrunner, performer, aspirant, beginner. Okay. Gujarat and Telangana have the highest number of achiever category gram panchayats. All right. Now, we need to promote local governance, right? And to inculcate a healthy competitive spirit, a healthy competition among panchayats and states which have these panchayats. Well, Ministry of Panchayati Raj came out with Panchayati Advancement Index report. In that, 2.5 lakh gram panchayats shall be given a score between 0 to 100. And this score shall be based on indicators which measure their performance across 9 sustainable development goals. So this part is correct. Now, based on their score between 0 to 100, they are allocated 5 categories. If a panchayat gets a perfect score, well, it gets the achiever category. If it is above 90, front runner. If below that, then it is given the category of performer. If even below that, then aspirant. And if it is very low, then they are given the category of beginner. Now, no gram panchayat in India has achieved perfect score, achiever status. Okay. Second statement is correct. But there are many panchayats who have gotten front runner status. Okay. And Gujarat and Telangana host the highest number of front runner gram panchayats, not achiever, front runner. So this statement is false. The answer is 1 and 2 only. A. And with that, we conclude today's session. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. And I'm sure it has added value to your preparation. But it would add more value if you revise this lecture as well. And by revision, I mean taking a look at, just spending another 5 to 10 minutes, look at written detailed solutions to each and every MCQ discussed. Now, these solutions are provided in our notes. And where can you find these notes? Well, these notes are shared on our Telegram channel. The link to our Telegram channel is provided in the comment section below. You just have to click on that link. It'll take you to our Telegram channel, and from there, you can download the notes for this lecture and do the necessary revision. On that note, I'll be signing off with the promise of seeing you again with another set of MCQs. Thank you, everyone.